Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Lilies and Tomatoes. Today we've got something a little bit different. Today I am participating in an unboxing challenge with a collaboration with a couple of other unboxers. I'm not an unboxer, obviously, but I thought it would be fun to hang with some friends. So what's going to happen is I am going to open up this awesome gift that I got from Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I will tell you about our collab, and then I'll tell you how you can enter and win our giveaway at the end. Stick around. Okay, so the challenge, there's 5 of us total, and we each randomly got assigned someone to send a gift to. And we send them a gift. We send someone else a gift. So you're not giving and receiving to the same person. And it's a collab. So all the videos are going to go live on the 1st at noon. You should see those. Just go to the playlist and play the whole thing so you can see them all and see the garden-inspired gift that I got from Cat opens up. This is from Mary Catherine, and Mary Catherine Loves Cats. You should check out her channel. She does face masks, and she puts the mask on her videos. It's really awesome. You should check that out. And I'm really excited to see what I got here. So I got a card. This little box. Not really it's a cat. Happy Valentine's Day. Okay, see that? It's a cat. Really excited about this. It's nice to do some fun things every once in a while. See what else we got in here. We've got a cat pen. Super cute. And a little bear, which I will have to keep up so this doesn't become a cat toy. Ooh, tea. I love tea. I love herbal tea. This is funny. Chamomile. I sent Kat some cuttings from my garden so she can grow her own chamomile tea. That's pretty cool. Tea, which is awesome because I love me some herbal tea. And then I've got some chocolate. Nice. I love candy, entirely too much. Oh, and Skittles! Skittles are my favorite. Skittles. Can I tell you how many times I have ordered Skittles from Amazon because I didn't want to go to the store? Too many. And a shirt. Plants are my love language. Plants are my love language, and that's why I got them for Cat. Oh, this was so much fun. Thank you so much, Mary Catherine. I love everything in here. Let me tell you guys real quick about our giveaway. So in order to enter the giveaway, you have to be publicly subscribed to all 5 channels. You have to comment on all 5 channels. And you just go to the playlist and watch all of the channels. You can see, watch all the videos so you can see all of the gifts. The gift from my channel is going to be something new that I've partnered with my friend Andre from Fly Farm Mercantile on. So it is a mystery seed subscription box. So the person who wins my giveaway will get a 3-month subscription to the mystery seed giveaway box, and you're going to get 1 flower seed and 2 vegetable or fruit seeds a month for 3 months. And just make sure that you are publicly subscribed to all of the channels in our giveaway, and you comment below. You must be 18 to win my giveaway and have a U.S. mailing address because Andre can't ship overseas. So that is it for me. I'm really excited about this. I'm so happy that we're doing this, and look for more collabs from me in the future with other different kinds of channels because I love to collaborate. Bye!